Hello and welcome to NagashArchitecture, and in this video I'm going to show you how to import realistic textures into Twinmotion using Quixel Megascans. Now normally if you're in Twinmotion you have access to Megascans from Quixel in the Twinmotion library, but in case that method is slow you can also get the Quixel Megascans directly from the Quixel website. Just head over to quixel.com and then log in. You can use your Epic Games login account and it's completely free if you use your Epic Games login account. Head over to products and you're going to see Megascans. Just browse the Megascans. There's a lot you can choose from the Quixel library. There's premium quality, world-class quality of textures, everything that you need: grass, stone, brick, wood, whatever it is that you're looking for. Probably even walls and trash cans. So you can get everything you want from Quixel. It's premium quality as well, and most of it is free. Once the Megascan page pops up, you can actually check any of them that you want. You can see it by all types: 3D assets or plants or surfaces, whatever ones you're looking for. I'm going to go for surfaces right now. So you can see all the options in the surface category: asphalt, bark, brick. Looking at what we can possibly get. Okay, I think I've done asphalt before, so I'm going to try grass. You can also see marble options. There's moss as well, and rock surfaces, roofing sheets. Wow, that's interesting. The tile and stone, and of course earth soil material. There's wood, personal favorite for most people. So for grass, I'm going to go with this lawn selection and see what they have. Oh, there's a bright green. Oh, this is really interesting. So let's just go with one of them at random. You can choose the resolution that you want: 8K or 2K or 4K. I'm going to go with 2K because my computer is not so heavy. I'm going to go with this 2K and then just hit download. It's going to easily just download the Quixel Megascan for you right onto your computer. Give it a little while it's downloading. You can go over and browse all the other materials that they have. So just a few more seconds, the download is almost complete. Okay, here we are. I'm just going to find the file in my downloads folder and move it to the desktop so it's easier for me to find. I've put it in a Quixel Megascan folder that I'm slowly building up, so you can just extract the file and then have it onto your computer to have everything there. You can move over to Twinmotion and try to apply the surfaces. So looking at the folder, what's in it, you can see all the maps. They are different images and I'm going to explain to you how they work in Twinmotion. So I'm just going to import a primitive material here, something like a ground surface. Where is it? Plane of 10 meters. That should be interesting. Okay, we could actually work with this, a plane of 10 meters. So over here you can go over to material. You can see that there's no material currently. When you go on to click material down here, you can go ahead and click a brand new material, or you can use the material picker and select the material that is assigned to the plane material that we just dropped, or the plane surface that we just dropped. So over here, over on the material tab on the right hand side, you can see all the other information that you can use to change the material that we've just selected. So there's UV map, there's also roughness and metallicness. Also normal maps are also included here. Most of these options have their images in that folder that we just finished downloading. So we're going to start with the first one, which is UV map. I think this is the color map. Okay, no, the color map is right under color. So you can see the details. You can hover over this and then click details, and then you're going to see texture. We're going to change the color texture now. Go ahead and click open. When you click texture, it's going to take you to probably somewhere else that you probably don't know. So find your folder, Quixel Megascans. Here we are. Go over to grass and we're looking for the color map. So the color map is going to be the albedo file. Go over and select that and click open. That's going to just drag the surface onto, or is going to apply that surface color so you can see what the Quixel actually looks like. So it's going to look a lot better when we go ahead and apply all the other maps to it. So now that we have the color in place, just scroll down a bit to the UV maps and notice that UV doesn't have a way we can actually import a texture. So we're going to move over to roughness. Go over to details. You can see the texture map for roughness. Go over and select that and click open. Look for the roughness.jpg. You can see the roughness here in 2K. Select roughness and then click open. Roughness is going to be applied, and then you can go ahead and decrease or increase the roughness of your texture. Once that's done, we're going to import the normal map now, which is probably the most important in this entire selection. So go over to normal. You can see the detail as well. Select detail. You can see the normal map is in here. Click normal. This is the default embedded texture from Twinmotion. We want to change that and input the texture from the grass surface that we just got. So you can see normal is in blue. Select this normal and then click open. That imports the normal map. We can turn on the parallax. Now you can see that it's still smooth. So what happens? What happens when I go on to increase the normal slider? Just pull that all the way up to 100, and there we go. We've gotten our normal grass texture now selected for this surface. So it looks slightly better than it was in the beginning. When you zoom in really close to the grass and then you notice that the normal is set to currently 0, we can increase the normal mapping and push it all the way up to 100, and then it starts to show you some depth in the texture, and that's pretty much how, what we're looking for with this map. And you can see that the texture looks better now. I'm going to do this again for the asphalt map, so I'm just going to click a new material and then drag that over to the surface that we have, and we're going to replace this for asphalt. So just scroll all the way to the new material, go over to color and select details, and then choose the color for the asphalt map. Just go over and click open to bring up the dialog box. We're currently in grass, we're going to switch to asphalt, and then find, of course, first of all the albedo file, drag that in there, and then that throws us the asphalt. I can actually darken the color of the asphalt right now, and just because asphalt is always dark, I can just push this all the way down. And of course you can change the scale if you want, but you can go ahead and change the texture in details, bring in the texture file. Okay, that's already done. That's how we imported the albedo. So next we're going to go to the roughness and then bring in the roughness for the asphalt, replace that in here. Just click open, find the asphalt roughness.jpg, import that file in there. It's going to apply the roughness to the asphalt, and then next go and look for the normal mapping and select the normal for the asphalt. You can see the normal is the one that is usually in purple. That is the normal bump mapping to show depth, and once that's imported you can see the difference in the asphalt and the way it looks. So it goes on to add that texture that adds additional depth to your asphalt. You can turn on parallax as well. It adds additional depth to it. So that's how you can go about importing realistic surfaces into Twinmotion. If you learned a thing or two from this video, do leave a like on it and also subscribe to the channel for more Twinmotion and architecture videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.